Hello student. Today I am going to solve some equations, quadratic equation with the help of perfect square form method, and then we verify that equation with the help of quadratic formula. Question is, please note down the question. Solve quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. I repeat the question again. Please note down. Solve quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 by the perfect square method, and verify the roots by quadratic formula of Sridhar Acharya. So your given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Our aim is to solve this equation with the help of perfect square method. So our aim is to make it its perfect square term, and we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and here coefficient of a is 1. So here we make it the equation like that, the coefficient of x square become 1. So dividing this whole equation throughout by 2, we get x square minus 7 by 2 x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Now middle term is 2ab. If here plus, so plus whole square, if minus, then its term is minus. To compare these two expressions, our aim is to convert this right hand side in the form of whole square. So we rearrange it the given equation. So this 2ab, if you compare it, so here this value is 7 by 2. So this you can say 7 by 2. So we can say it 2 into a. A is 1, so it is 1. So what is the value of b? We assume its product 2ab becomes 7 by 2. So it means if I say b is equal to 7 by 4, so then see it 2 into 7 by 4 becomes 7 by 2. So therefore I rearrange this whole equation. X square minus 7 by 2x. I need 7 by 4. So whatever be the value of b, that is here b square. So we need a square of this quantity. If we can say in this expression value of b is 7 by 4. So plus b square. So I add and subtract by 7 by 4 whole square. Then result is remain same or not? Is remain same. I add 7 by 4 whole square and subtract this 7 by 4 whole square. Or in other words, we can say 49 by 60. If we add and subtract 49 by 60, then this term become whole square term and this is remaining term. Plus your 3 by 2 is equal to 0. This is your whole about these things. I hope it is clear up to this step. Any doubt? So to make it a perfect square, we choose the value of b like that, so that become perfect whole square. So we add and subtract that value, then we get the proper whole square. So now finally we can say that this implies these three terms as it is कर दें, so then it's become x minus 7 by 2 or 4. This is b, 7 by 4 whole square. When you open it, you get this a square minus 2ab. So a is x, b is 7 by 4, so 2ab is become 7 by 2x plus b square. And this term minus taking in other side, so it become 49 by 16 minus 3 by 2. Square of 7 is 49, square of 4 is 16. Here this is minus, taking this side is become plus, and this is plus, so it's become minus. And simplified it, taking 16 LCM, it's become 49 minus 24. 49 minus 24 is, yes,
25
is equal to 25 by 60. Okay? Clear up to this step or not?
Yes, sir.
Please go through it, then note down the language after that. Taking square root on both the sides, we get. Taking square root both the sides, we get. Or you can say here also, this is 5 by 4 whole square. After that, note down, taking square root both the side, we get. What you will get? We will get this x minus 7 by 4, x minus 7 by 4 equal to x minus 7 by 4 after taking square root. And when we taking square root, so it's become plus minus 5 by 4. Square root of 25 is 5, square root of 16 is 4. So plus minus 5 by 4. Therefore, x equal to, minus 7 by 4 taking this side to this side. So plus minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Plus minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. So value of x is, one time we take it plus, second time we take it minus. So we get the two value because quadratic equation has two solutions. So we can say this implies x is equal to 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4 and x equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Or you can write down or also. Now simplified it, taking 4 LCM, you can say this implies x is equal to 4 LCM, 7 plus 5, 12 by 4 is equal to 3, or x equal to 4 LCM minus 5 plus 7, which is 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So thus x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2. X equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2 are solution of the given equation. X equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2 are the solution of the given equation. This is your first part is over. To solve the given equation by the method of perfect squaring. I hope it is clear now. Now next, verification. Verification of these roots with the help of Sridhar Acharya quadratic formula. तो लिखिए, note down, by comparing. Actually, standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we note down, by comparing ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, with your equation. So with equation, what is your equation? Please tell me.
2x square minus 7x plus
2x square minus 7x plus
3.
3 equal to 0. Without equal to 0 is how we can say it is equation. So comparing these two equations, what is the value of A? 2, value of B minus 7 and value of C is 3. So by comparing equation ax square plus bx plus c with equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0, we get values of A, B, C. Hence, by Sridhar Acharya quadratic formula, the roots of the given equations are, and what is the formula? Formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So by the Acharya quadratic formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, the solution or roots of the given equations are x equal to minus b. What is the value of b? Minus 7 plus minus under root b square minus 7 whole square minus 4ac. What is the value of a? 2. What is the value of c? 3 whole upon 2a into 2. Unsolve it. Simplified it, minus into minus plus, so 7 plus minus under root 7 square of minus 7 49, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24 upon 4 is equal to 7 plus minus under root 25 upon 4. So the solution of the given equation or roots of the given equations are, if you say roots, so alpha beta, or solution to x taking one time plus or one time minus. So plus 5, this is equal to, you can say 7 plus minus 5 upon 4. So 7 plus 5 upon 4 or 7 minus 5 upon 4. 4 upon 4. So 7 plus 5 upon 4 is 12 by 4. And it comes out, this implies x equal to 3. And 7 minus 5 upon 4 means 2 by 4. It comes out 1 by 2. So x equal to 1 by 2. So hence solution of the given equation is verified by Sridhar Acharya formula. Thank you very much.